good evening, beautiful people and fellow momspirations all over the world. Yes, Mommy Myra here in my little place in Victoria, BC. Yes, anong title ng Go Live natin today? Life Redesigned. And pag-usapan natin yung redesigning na tinutukoy ko. But first, you might wonder why I have this. This is actually a piece of a dress. This one, which is too long for me, and so I decided to repair it or to alter it. I cut the hemline, and this one, I thought, so I tried a black dress earlier, and I put it like this. Sabi ko, oh wow, this can make a good, parang scarf siya, or a hair piece. So you can recreate something you thought you're gonna, from something that you thought you'll just throw away. And here, I'm actually in my dining room right now, and look. Look what I made. This is a jar of, we call it bread and butter. I'll cover the brand because this isn't sponsored. But here it is. It's pickles. And there's only very little left, but the sauce is still here. And I thought, sayang naman kung itatapon ko. So what I did, I cut some carrots, and there, now I have pickled carrots. So redesigning life like this. It's like upcycling or recycling or whatever it is that you may call. And why the phrase life redesigned hit me differently is because I read a post from a good friend who's also a business partner. Hi, Sis Maria Luz. I hope you're watching, or maybe in the replay you'll see this. Shout out to you. You inspired me so much when you made that video when you were in Punta Cana. And so I said, Life Redesigned. Parang, wow, it's a good title. Gusto ko rin yang maging title ng buhay ko. Life Redesigned. I mean, maybe another chapter of my life, because as you know, I'm a nurse, I'm a wife, I'm a mother of 6 adult children now, and yes, 2 years ago I redesigned my life by starting something that scares me, that's totally outside of my comfort zone, and this is becoming a business owner and a online business mentor. Yes, something new to me that I thought hindi ko kayang gawin. But, you know, as I'm going through the training at ginagawa ko siya, and then slowly I'm gaining results, parang na-inlove ako sa kanya. At nare-redesign ko itong chapter ng buhay ko na ngayon na ando na kasi ako sa season na, pwede nang mag-retire, pero gusto ko pa rin naman yung ginagawa ko bilang nurse. And so I'm staying employed, yun lang. Instead of 2 jobs, it's down to 1. Nakakatuwa lang na nabibigyan tayo ng opportunity na ganito. And I must say, sa pag-redesign ng buhay natin, kailangan meron tayong guidance from our Creator, the greatest redesigner, or I should say greatest designer of all, our Lord. So when I decided that I will do something that's outside of my comfort zone, I really prayed about it. And hindi ko siya sinabi na bahala na. Ang sinabi ko, I need your guidance, show me the way, show me what I have to do. And of course, when I came through this online business, I saw that this system is already there. So, hindi naman ako magsa-start talaga from zero. I have to be coachable, I have to follow the step-by-step training, and, you know, do some self-development. So, I've been reading some books, and habang ginagawa ko yun, sabi ko, parang mas minamahal ko yung sarili ko. Mas nava-value ko dahil alam ko na hindi lang ako designed para sa isa. Kasi truly, life is like that. Hindi ka naman, okay, you're a mom ka lang. Pwedeng wife ka rin. Although, pwede kang single mom, but you're doing something else. Maybe you're working as a healthcare provider or a teacher, or maybe you're working in retail, or maybe you're a stay-at-home parent na sinusuportahan ng partner so that you can contribute to the household income. And that's very, very good and salute to you. Lahat tayo, meron tayong mga papel sa buhay at hindi man tayo nabibigyan ng talagang script na this is what you have to say and this is what you have to do. Somehow, yung creativity natin, nasi-steer yan when life situations happen. So for example, in a family na merong na-layoff sa trabaho, they get to be creative. Paano natin pagkakasyahin ang income na meron tayo ng ngayon? So that's redesigning life. And there are so many ways. Our God gives us many ways by which we can redesign our lives. Kayo, how is your life redesigned? If you're in the season of doing that right now, my prayers for you would be that you will continue to follow your dreams, follow your heart, and never give up. Because we only fail if we quit. Congratulations on redesigning your life, and God bless you all. Bye for now from Momspiration. I'll see you again.